how to make all your TikTok videos public at once. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, we will simply go to TikTok account. Once we click here, we simply click on down the right side profile, so simply click on that. Once we click here, you guys will see on top right corner 3 lines, so simply click on that. Now here you guys will see a activity center, so simply click on that. Now we will wait for some second. Here you guys can see watch history, comment history, search history, airs link history, mention history, account history, but you will simply click on manage post visibility. You guys can see on down right side on third row. So once we click here, you guys will see all your posts that are private or public. So here you guys will simply click on the you. So in on the you section, you guys will see all the videos that are private. So for example, I want to make all of them public. So for that, I will select all that videos. So for example, I want to make that videos public. Like you guys can select all. After that, click on next. Once you click on next, here you guys can see everyone friends on the you. So if I can select everyone, and after that I click on update, my all that videos will show to everyone, and it will be public. So there's how you guys can do that without spending a lot of time. Thanks for watching.